Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, power lift gate, backup camera, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, power passenger seat, keyless entry. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.